Victor. Merry Christmas.
God jul, Victor.
No. God jul.
Kom, Victor.
Look it. Look at all the presents. Is this from Santa? Is this from Santa?
En gave fra julenissen, Victor.
What is he doing? Victor, come here. Look at all the presents from Santa. Look
Gavene.
at all these presents from Santa Claus. Not too impressed yet?
Wait a few years.
No?
You gotta leave him alone.
No, he's okay.
That's Kate and Eric since his opening.
It was Santa. Yeah, that's from Santa.
It's from Santa.
Those are the presents from Santa, buddy. Yeah. There's chocolates in there, maybe.
Okay. Let's not open everyone's presents yet, buddy. That's Kate and Eric's.
We'll find a little one for him.
Okay. Okay. Men Victor, ska vi se om vi finner en gave till dig. Ska vi se. Den är till dig. Ska du öppna den, Victor? Det är från julnissen.
Is that from Santa?
Det är från julnissen. Ska du öppna?
He thinks there's chocolate in there.
Ska du öppna?
Because of the advent calendar, always has chocolate. For,
Så här, Victor.
for 25 days, he's had chocolate from Santa.
Ska du öppna gaven igen? Ja, du må öppna sig. Du må öppna sig. Du öppnar. Se. He's like, no.
We got him a second Dit because he might lose the other one. It's a Dit family.
I guess it's not the right one.
It's not.
It's not the one that's worn and been thrown up on.
Yeah, I'm thrown up on,
and
peed on, and dragged in the mud.
Justin.
Yeah, that's baby Justin. He's crying a little bit. Is Justin sad? Okay.
Say thank you, Santa.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Okay, you.